Hello everyone! Today I have these durable holders for your Stanley cups and others. There are two different shells which are perfect for 8 bottles also. There is a special hook for your lids or just cups or from your bottles. Everything are put it by the magnet. You can easily put it in your fridge or someone else. You don't need to screw or glue anything. It's very simple and fast installation, just 10 seconds and everything will be done. I think it's a good organization of your space. It takes not too much space on your kitchen. It looks durable and nice. I think it's a good purchase as a gift for friends and family, and I'm highly recommend this. See you later.